You should put it in.
Did she go like this? Tell me.
Yeah, right to your legs.
Did she go like this with your legs?
Think about that. There's a tiny person here. A tiny unpredictable being.
That one has a lot of spunk.
Bigger than you, smaller than Marcello.
And you thought Marcello had a lot of spunk, but he's got more spunk.
Wow. I hug you.
Because you're very huggable.
Well, there's the bubbles. Blow.
Blow.
You got to get closer than that. Me. Let's see.
Okay, go.
I got one out. One poor little bubble out.
Not so much. Close, but not so much. There you go. He got him. He figured it out. Kitty disappeared.
Where did Kitty go? She got scared.
She went. Where'd she go?
She comes. No.
No, Elliot. That wasn't nice.
You scared her away.
That was mean.
Wasn't so funny. That's not so funny. No, it's not. That's not so funny. That's not so funny.
Cow.
Cow? Where's the cow?
Where's the cow? Here's the cow.
That's a giraffe.
That's a giraffe. There's a cow. That's a cow. Cow.
The cow says moo. And how does the giraffe go? The giraffe goes like this.
Yep.
Like that? Okay. They're friends. Okay. He went away because you
He
scared
don't
him.
like you. You do things at them.
There's Kitty. If you're nice to Kitty, he'll come to you. But you have to be nice to her. Nice. Okay.
Cow.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Blow.
Bubbles.
Oh.
Oh. That didn't work? Try it again.
Sometimes it works.
Sometimes it works. You gotta turn it. Gotta turn it a little bit.
He knows to do it.